So basically what I'll be doing in this video is that I will run a AI model in offline, and also we'll see that how the uh, how the CPU consumption during the model processing. So let's start. So for this I will using the Ollama, which is very useful tool, and here there are different types of model. You can just pull it or download it from here in this website. Firstly, this is basically a command line interface, CLI uh, application. So you can download through this. uh, Here you can find the Mac version, Linux version, and Windows version, or just copy and paste your cmd uh, here, just enter. But I have already installed in my system, so I do not need to install again. So then what I have to do is, there are different kinds of model exist in here, like the GLM5 Minimax M25, the Qwen 3.5, so GLM 4.5 Flash, Qwen 3 Coda Next Kimi K2 5. Also you can find the DeepSeek model, DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek version 3.2, DeepSeek version 3.1, DeepSeek R1. I like this model. So you just have to just copy, and after installing the Ollama, you have to just copy this Ollama run DeepSeek R1, and then paste it in your command line, and then you can easily download this model easily and run it on your CLI on your own computer without having any Wi-Fi or internet connection, because this model you can install locally in your device. So let's try one. So uh, Ollama list. With this command you can see that how many model I have already installed in my account. So you can easily see that I have already installed the Gamma latest, which is the size is 5 GB and 12 hours ago modified. Well, Whisper, I also download the Whisper also, which is 2 GB size, and most of the model are basically the 10 GB, 8 GB, 12 GB, so much consumed. But after if you need any in your project, then it should better to stay in your laptop, or you should delete it, like some say. So I just deleted the Whisper model. I don't need to, because yeah, the 2 GB storage. Why do I use this? Because I do not need now. uh, so you can hear again my list, just see that it is already deleted. So how can I run this Gamma latest version? So what you have to do is very basic. Ollama list, or Ollama run Gamma. Sorry. So it will initialize. I can chat here without having my internet one easily. So let's see. Also I think okay, task manager I should open, and then you can see my CPU consumption right now, this position, and my memory consumption is this position. But while the processing of that model, it will consume my CPU too much. My laptop is 16 GB RAM, and my processor is basically Intel Core i7. So hey bro, say bro, how are you? Look at this. During the processing, the CPU consumption is higher. In this graph you can see it easily, because this is process this prompt like, hey bro, how are you, then it is processing through my CPU, and then it will return a answer. Like, see, and now I am do not now it is not processing, that's why it is, the graph is down. Again, if I enter the again and prompt, it will again, the CPU graph will be higher or increase. So let, for example, can you, okay, can you please tell me the CAPRTA capital city, University of Bangladesh. You can see here that while processing the graph, the CPU graph will be increased. Here it is. If I turn off my Wi-Fi also, I can run it uh, through my PC local storage, because this is not the web interaction. It is, you can run this model locally. So by data good, right? See, the graph is higher, and my memory consumption right now is 11.8 GB, which is huge, and CPU is at 2.32 gigahertz. And after the processing and giving my reply, it is the CPU consumption graph again it's higher. So I think, I hope you learned from this session. So bye bye.